What if I told you that with just 2 eggs, you could make one of the fluffiest, softest, most melt-in-your-mouth pancakes in the world? Yes, today we're making Japanese soufflé pancakes, light, jiggly, and full of flavor. And best of all, it's easier than you think. Let's get started. Step 1. Separate the eggs. Start by cracking 2 large eggs. Carefully separate the yolks from the whites. Place the yolks in one bowl and the whites in another. We'll use the yolks for flavor, and the whites to create that incredible rise in fluffiness. Step 2. Mix the yolk base. Now let's add 1 tablespoon of milk and a few drops of vanilla extract to the yolks. Give it a nice whisk until smooth and creamy. This base gives your pancakes a rich, buttery flavor without using any butter. Step 3. Beat the egg whites. Now comes the magic. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar to your egg whites. Using a hand mixer or whisk, beat until stiff peaks form, glossy, thick, and cloud-like. This step takes time. Step 4. Fold gently. Take a spoonful of the whipped whites, and gently fold it into the yolk mixture. Then add the rest of the whites and continue folding gently. Don't stir, fold. This keeps the air bubbles intact, making the pancakes ultra fluffy. Step 5. Cooking. Now heat a non-stick pan over low flame. You can use ring molds if you have them, or spoon the batter into tall, round shapes. Cover with a lid and let them steam gently for 5-6 minutes. Look at that rise. They should be golden brown on the outside and soft inside. Step 6. Topping and serving. Once done, transfer to a plate. Top with powdered sugar, maple syrup, fresh berries, whatever you like. They're light, sweet, and absolutely divine. Want to make these at home like a pro? Get the tools I used: spatula, ring molds, whisk, and non-stick pans, all in one place. Visit bakeware.com or message me to order directly. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy, magical recipes.